Joy.
Well, hello, Dylan.
Come on, you can do it.
About 10 minutes, I guess. Why? Because the general store was robbed.
Almost. Almost, Joy.
Not me, I
Almost. You can do it.
York, the
One more
description of
try.
that robbery fits you exactly.
Come on.
Are you sure? I'm sure.
What you doing?
All right, look at you. Halfway there.
Come on, Joy.
Come on over. Don't touch her or it won't count. Joy. Joy.
All right, now what's
Hey,
this
little
all about?
lady.
Joy.
Hey, lady.
I just wanted to flat it out.
Halfway through.
Heck, I didn't even phone
Hey,
you.
little lady.
Are you sure?
Come on.
That ain't no hanging offense. I was going back. You were, huh?
Joy.
I see you. I see
Used
you.
to playing tricks like this
I
often,
see
right?
you.
I do
I
some
see you.
weird things sometimes.
This is her coat. It's a turnover coat.
Come on, turn over. Hey, Joy. Joy.
Ain't been the same since that's for true. All right. I'll go ahead and talk with John and see what I can do.
Halfway through. She turned over. Now she's halfway over. There's her auntie. Back with sushi.
Joy.
Sorry this happened.
Come on, Joy.
We're gonna
Which way
finish
you
this.
going? You coming or
It's
going?
going this way.
Maybe she just wants to be on the side.
You can't live your life on the side.
You want your sushi roll here?
Wait, she's so great to turn all the way over. All the way. Yeah, she did it! Joy! Joy! Let's see this side. She's watching TV.
Yay!
And she did it. Good job, Joy. Good job.